great to have you here. We are looking at markets pulling back this morning after yesterday's rebound and, of course, Friday's sell-off. So give us your take on what's happening.
Well, I think, we're kind of in that back and forth, if you will, between the U.S. and China, and I think that renewed trade war concern is, weighing on markets, and I think we're going to see more of this leading up to the expected meeting between Trump and Xi in South Korea later this month. Kind of a, rising escalation, if you will. What will we see coming out of this? But at the same time, Remy, this is kind of classic game theory, and I think the idea here, for your viewers is pretty simple in that if there is no similar response that's viewed as a point of weakness, and I don't think either side wants to have that going into this potential meeting.
Yeah, so despite all of this volatility, we are still seeing the major U.S. stock averages in positive territory year to date. So as we move towards more earnings, as well as the Fed meeting at the end of this month, what are you watching and why?
Well, if we take a look at where the market has gone, right, it has, made some very, very nice moves of late, despite the most recent pullback between last Friday and what we're starting to see today. So you have to ask yourself, where is the market multiple? And either should the multiple expand further, or do we need to see the earnings start to come up? And so far, the big bank earnings, pretty good, right? But we need to see more of that follow through across other sectors. So I think the next couple weeks are going to be very important for the market. If we start to see consensus S&P 500 EPS numbers for 2025, 2026 start to move higher, that multiple comes down, and I think folks can be a little more bullish going